This is a new song that we're going to be doing this often. It's a song called I Am Alive with the Spirit of God, right? Now let me teach you the words. I am alive with the Spirit of God. 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 Oh, wait. I am alive, y'all. Live with the Spirit of God. Are you ready?